Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change camera image quality on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then like in camera on this OPPO device you have only two different qualities, like you have normal image quality, like you open just normal photo mode and take pictures as normal quality, but you can also switch to more modes, select extra HD and take photos in extra HD quality. So yeah, extra HD mode for very beautiful photos. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.